Good evening, everyone. I'm William Brantley from the Bemis, South Jackson, Tennessee area, reporting to you this evening's climate summary and giving you a forecast here in just a few moments. It's been another beautiful day in Jackson today. We had a high temperature today of 83 degrees on Wednesday, October the 12th, 2016. The low this morning was 51 degrees. We've had no rainfall yet. And as of 5 p.m., the skies were partly cloudy. The temperature was 81 degrees. The dew point was 61 degrees. The relative humidity was 51%. And we had south winds at 3 miles per hour. And the barometric pressure was 30.08 inches of mercury. We did have a wind gust of 16 miles per hour earlier around 2 p.m. out of the south. And beyond that, there is an area of storms on the radar over in north central Arkansas that's moving eastward, and we may have to deal with those around 2, 3, 4 o'clock tomorrow morning. But they will be coming in into a lot of dry air, so they will probably be not as intense by the time they get here compared to what they are over there at the moment. That leads to my forecast for tonight. Let me tell you real quick, though, that the sun sets tonight at 6:23 p.m. and rises tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. The moon is already up, and it will be setting tomorrow morning at 2:53 a.m. And that leads to a forecast of mostly fair skies for the remainder of the evening until around 10 p.m. or so tonight. Then the skies are going to become mostly cloudy. And that leads to mostly cloudy skies as well tomorrow. We do have about a 40% chance of some rain moving in around 3 to 5 a.m. in the morning, roughly about that time, and that will be what's left of the storms that's over in northern Arkansas at the moment, moving in our direction. So don't be surprised if you wake up in the morning and the streets and ground might be a little wet. I don't really expect a lot out of it, but the chance is there nevertheless. Otherwise, it's going to be mostly cloudy all day, though. We should have a low near 56 degrees and a high of about 71 degrees tomorrow. We'll have north winds at 10 to 20, so it's going to feel a lot cooler. Yeah, high of 71 tomorrow compared to today's 83. That'd be a nice change. Most of the day tomorrow, though, daylight hours at least, we probably will go rain-free, probably. Otherwise, on into Friday, it looks like it's going to be another mostly cloudy day with a good 80% chance for some scattered showers and thunderstorms. The best chance right now appears to be between 8 a.m. till around 7 p.m. And the heaviest threat for the heaviest of the storms will be between about 10 a.m. to around 2 p.m. Now, that's the estimate as of right now. That could change between now and tomorrow, so stay tuned for further videos for the latest on the timing, if that should change. Otherwise, we're going to have a low temperature near 55 degrees Friday morning and a high of about 69 degrees. We should have southeast winds at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. And the sky should become fair or clear up Friday night toward midnight, 10, 11, 12 o'clock, something like that. And that's going to lead to a fair sky on Saturday, with the low temperature near 57 and a high of 83, with south winds at 10 to 20. On your Sunday, it's going to be mostly fair with low near 63 and a high of 85 with south winds at 10 to 20. And that will go ahead and give you Monday, mostly fair skies with a low near 64 and a high of 88 with south winds at 10 to 20. And beyond that, it should be generally fair skies for the rest of next week, with our next chance for rain coming up next Friday, the 21st. We'll work on that as we go along. Beyond that, I thought I'd also tell you that if you would happen to be traveling to the Bahama Islands in the next few days just to visit or whatever the reasons may be, don't do it. And wait at least for next week anyways, because there's actually a hurricane out there south of them now, Hurricane Nicole, that's expected to affect Bermuda directly, from what I'm understanding. And it's a Category 2 hurricane with winds of at least 120 miles per hour, and it'll be approaching Bermuda tomorrow afternoon, roughly around noon, roughly, and then it'll move on north of there. So I'd suggest waiting till maybe next week to go there if you had plans to do that. Otherwise, back here in West Tennessee, I hope you have a pleasant evening. The weather should be fine for this evening, even though it may become cloudy, like I said, toward 10, 11 o'clock. Maybe a little bit of rain toward 2, 3, 4 o'clock tomorrow morning, but our best chance for rain is going to come on Friday, mainly, like I said, between 8 a.m. to around 7 p.m. Well, that's it for this evening. I hope I'm keeping you informed well enough, and you can adjust your plans accordingly. And I guess until later, I'll see you and talk to you again tomorrow morning. This is William Brantley from the Bemis, South Jackson, Tennessee area, saying good night, everyone. Thank you.